Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, and now select My Apps and Games. Okay, it's the first one. And once you are under updates, right here, you just have to pick the application that you would like to update. So if you would like to update one particular application, for example Gmail, just click on Update App right here, tap sorry, and then it will be done automatically, so you can observe the progress over there. But you can also use your device in a normal way, so you can make a call, search browser, watch some videos, do whatever you want to. And then if you open Play Store, you will see that it's still installing the update, so just give it a couple more seconds. And that's it. As you can see now, you will find it under recently updated. But if you would like to update all applications at once, just click on Update All, and then they will be automatically updated. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.